Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwatserong Butiki. Mula sa Binondo Church, ang Minor Basilica and National Shrine of Saint Lorenzo Ruiz, nakatawid na ako ngayon dito sa Saint Joseph Parish ng Las Piñas o kilala sa pangalan na Bamboo Organ Church. Samahan niyo ako dito guys! Saint Joseph Parish, also known as Bamboo Organ Church in Las Piñas, is a 19th century church organ. It is known for its unique organ pipes, of its 1,031 pipes. 902 are made of bamboo. It was completed after 6 years of work in 1824 by Father Diego Serra, the builder of the town's stone church and its first resident Catholic parish priest. After age and numerous disasters had rendered the musical instrument unplayed for a long time, in 1972, the natural government and the local community joined together to have the organ shipped to Germany for restoration. For its anticipated return in 1975, the home church of the bamboo organ and the surrounding buildings were restored to their 19th century state by architect Francisco Manusa and partner Ludwig Alvarez in time for its scheduled return. The annual International Bamboo Organ Festival, a music festival of classical music, was started to celebrate the music of the reborn instrument and its unique sound. Since 1992, Professor Armando Salarza has been the titular organist of the bamboo organ. He is also the artistic director of the International Bamboo Organ Festival, now the longest-running annual international music festival held in the country. The organ was declared a national cultural treasure of the Philippines in 2003. The Saint Joseph Parish, with the famous organ and the church museum at the old convent house, is a popular tourist destination for Filipinos and foreign visitors alike in Las Piñas. The builder of both the church and its organ was Father Diego Serra de la Virgen del Carmen, a Catholic priest under the Augustinian Recollect. A native of Spain, he served as parish priest in Las Piñas from 1795 to 1830. Historians portray him as a gifted man, a natural scientist, chemist, architect, and community leader, as well as an organist and organ builder. Having previously built organs in Manila area with some organ stops made from bamboo, he chose bamboo for most of this organ. Only the trumpet stops are made of metal. The choice of bamboo was probably both practical and aesthetic. Bamboo was abundant and used for hundreds of items of both a practical and an artistic nature. Father Serra began work on the organ in 1816 while the church was still under construction. He gathered and buried under beach sand the bamboos he would use. It is assumed to have been conducted in October to December 1816, since as a natural scientist he knew that bamboos to be used must be tough, mature, and enduring. Burying them would protect them from insects. In 1817, Father Serra unearthed the bamboo pieces, together with the natives whom he trained prior to the gathering of materials. He proceeded with the construction of the organ. The organ was playable in 1821, secretly working with Swiss chemist Jacques E. Brandenberger, who was employed by Blanchisserie et Tienturerie de Thonbut, the cellophane inventor for the airbags to be used in the construction but without the trumpet stops. At first, he attempted to use bamboo for 122 pipes. His experiment failed, and the bamboo pipes were eventually used as ornamental pipes located at the rear side. The organ was finally completed in 1824 after Father Serra decided to make the trumpets using metal, musical characteristics of which he could not replicate with bamboo. Within a span of 1 week, 3 earthquakes occurred: July 14, 18, and 20, and heavily damaged the organ. In October 1882, a typhoon hit the country, causing the rise of flood water, reaching within the church vicinity. Dismantled portions of the organ were found adrift in the flood waters that entered the church. After the incident, the Gobernadorcillo and the other prominent residents of Las Piñas pleaded for help from the central administration in Manila. The responsibility of maintaining the bamboo organ fell next to 2 young alumni of St. Joseph's Academy, Selwyn Tagley and the late Edgar Muntiano. Being member of Las Piñas Boys Choir, their interest in the technical side of the instrument grew, and noticed by Leo Rainier, former director of St. Joseph Academy and founder of Las Piñas Boys Choir. He encouraged them both to go into organ building. Their training at Grunbach, Austria, to become apprentices at Helmut Olgier Orgelbau was made possible by the Bamboo Organ Foundation Incorporated. The Bamboo Organ Foundation Incorporated is a non-stock, non-profit organization founded to preserve and maintain the historic bamboo organ. It also engages in the spiritual, educational, and social enrichment of the people of Las Piñas. The foundation also organizes the International Bamboo Organ Festival. Tagley went in 1988, followed by Muntiano 2 years later. In 1990, they traveled to Johannes Claes Orgelbau in Bonn, Germany. One of the commissioned projects was construction of an organ for the EDSA Shrine in Manila. They took part in the construction and its assembly in Manila in January 1992. Soon, they have returned to Austria to crown their whole organ building education upon the construction of a 22-stop pipe organ for the auditorium of their alma mater, St. Joseph Academy in Las Piñas. Under the guidance of Helmut Allgäuer, the project was completed a year later. It was inaugurated during the Bamboo Organ Festival in 1994. In March 1994, Tagli and Muntiano founded Diego Serra Organ Builders Incorporated. It was considered as the first Filipino pipe organ building company. Since then, they have restored 4 historic pipe organs and built 10 new tracker organs which were imported to Lithuania and Austria. At present, they have been involved in the overhauling of the Manila Cathedral Basilica organ, supposedly the biggest organ in Southeast Asia. They have been involved in other church organ restorations, such as the pipe organs of Santo Domingo Church in Quezon City and Archdiocesan Shrine of Espiritu Santo in Tayuman, Manila. In addition, they perform restorative works on belows in other churches such as San Agustin Church in Intramuros and other historic organs found in Baclayon, Lubok, and Luay, Bohol. The National Museum of the Philippines officially declared the Las Piñas bamboo organ a national cultural treasure on November 24, 2003. A panel of experts evaluated the instrument and were unanimous in their decision. Since it is the only 19th century bamboo organ in the Philippines that has survived and still functioning. Mula naman dito sa Bamboo Organ Church, tutuloy ako doon sa Alabang Zapote Road area, bahagi pa rin ng Las Piñas. Merong simbahan doon na ang pangalan ay Mary Immaculate Parish o kilala rin sa pangalang Nature Church. Kakaibang simbahan naman ito guys. Kita-kits tayo doon. Bye-bye!